Hey, how's it going? My name is Kevin and I am the Helpful Hero, here to help you leverage the awesome power that is HubSpot. In today's video, I just want to give you a very quick rundown of what the latest theme update version 52 includes for the Clean Pro theme. This update is going to give you some enhanced features for the team profile card module, the image and text modules, as well as the image gallery grid modules. So without further ado, let me jump right into HubSpot and show you some of the cool new things that you can add. First and foremost, here is the team profile card module. So if we click into this, one of the things that you can now access if we click into each team member right over here is the ability to make the card activate a modal pop-up. Now this is gonna be great if you don't want to take a visitor to a completely different detailed page of that team member. Instead, you just wanna pop up a little bit more information with their bio or any other relevant links. Now you can, and the people visiting this page won't actually have to leave the page. So all you would need to do is flip this on, and then it will activate this little pop-up content where you have a full rich text editor and can really add anything that you want. Now, there's one important thing to note that I do illustrate right here, and that is if you do choose to use this feature, make sure that you have a link card to another page turned off. So uncheck that feature because the two do not work too well together. So if you have this checked, what you can do is you can just come over here. Let's just refresh this page really quick. And now if I click on the card, you're gonna see this little pop-up with Mr. Wick and his information. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next customization, and that is to the image and text modules. Both options 1 and 2 include this new feature that gives you the option to include a modal pop-up. I guess this whole theme update is all about modal pop-ups. Almost. So now in here, just like you can in the multi-column content module, there's gonna be this little checkbox where you can trigger a modal pop-up. So if I open up these options, you can very easily control the button label. So I'll just do click me. You can select what sort of CTA style out of the clean theme settings that you want to choose. Let's go ahead and just try primary. And then you can add all of the content here. Of course, include a form and utilize this just as you would with a multi-column content module. So if we apply these changes and then pop over to our preview page, give that sucker a refresh, scroll down, great, there's our button. It clicks to this little form pop-up. Now, this is gonna actually work with the other image and text module as well, giving you that same option, so I'm not gonna go ahead and cover that here. All right, last cool update that I'm going to run through with you is with the gallery image cards. So one of the things that I've experienced myself as I utilize this module to showcase all of the amazing websites that have been designed with the Clean Pro theme, well, when you have a lot, it can be a little cumbersome on the page. So what I've now given you the option to do is add a load more button. So if you have a bunch of different gallery images, what you can do now is under Start here, select that you want to use the load more feature. So if I turn this off and click here, let's just apply those changes, you're gonna see that those are all of the images that I have. Now, if I turn this on, it's gonna give me these load more options where I can easily select the number of images that I wanna show. And typically what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna base this off how many images or gallery cards you wanna show in a given row so that it all works and is very seamless. In this case, I have the number of images per row set to 3. So here I would either want to show 3 or 6 or even, well, not 9 because there's 9 total, but for all example purposes, let's go ahead and go with 3. And then right down here, I can set the number of images that I want to load each time that button is clicked. In this example, I can go ahead and set those images to 3. I can certainly change the load more button label and of course its style as well as its alignment. So in this example, let's just align it left, apply these changes and see what takes shape. You can see this right here, but let's go ahead and go to our quick preview, give this a refresh, and then come right down here. Awesome, we can see those 3. If I click load more, 3 more are going to bounce in, and then it's gonna load the last 3. And those are a few of the cool updates that you can start utilizing today if you update to the Clean Pro version 52 theme. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much if you're already leveraging Clean Pro. I truly do appreciate it. If you have any questions about this update, feel free to hit me up in the comments below or reach me at my website. And with that, I'm out and I'll catch you in next week's video. Later.